The Art of Leadership, How to Make People Follow You. Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the art of leadership, understanding the nuances that make people willingly follow you. Leadership is not just about authority, it's about influence, inspiration, and fostering a shared vision. So, let's dive in. Authenticity and trust. The foundation of leadership is authenticity. People follow those they trust, and trust is built on sincerity. Be genuine in your actions and words. Share your values and vulnerabilities. When people see authenticity, they are more likely to trust and follow you. Visionary leadership. Great leaders are visionaries. Clearly articulate your vision, making it inspiring and inclusive. Help people see the bigger picture and understand how their efforts contribute to a shared goal. A compelling vision motivates and unites a team, making them eager to follow your lead. Effective communication. Communication is the glue that holds leadership together. Listen actively, express ideas clearly, and encourage open dialogue. Communication fosters understanding and builds a sense of belonging. When people feel heard and understood, they are more likely to follow your guidance. Lead by example. Actions speak louder than words. Demonstrate the behavior you expect from others. Whether it's hard work, dedication, or a positive attitude, leading by example creates a powerful impact. When people see you embodying the values you promote, they are inspired to follow suit. Empowering others. True leadership involves empowering others. Identify and nurture the strengths of those around you. Encourage autonomy and provide opportunities for growth. When people feel empowered and valued, they are more likely to follow your lead willingly. Emotional intelligence. Understanding and managing emotions, both yours and others, is crucial. Leaders with high emotional intelligence can build stronger relationships, resolve conflicts effectively, and create a positive work environment. Emotional intelligence makes people feel seen and heard, fostering a loyal following. Adaptability. Leadership is dynamic, and adaptability is key. Be open to change, embrace innovation, and adjust your approach when necessary. A leader who can navigate uncertainties and challenges with grace earns the respect and loyalty of their followers. Accountability. Accountability is the cornerstone of trust. Accept responsibility for your actions and decisions. When people see that you hold yourself accountable, they are more likely to trust your judgment and follow your lead. Recognition and appreciation. Acknowledge and appreciate the efforts of those around you. Celebrate achievements, big and small, and give credit where it's due. When people feel valued and recognized, they are motivated to excel and remain committed to your leadership. Continuous learning and improvement. Leadership is a journey, not a destination. Stay committed to continuous learning and improvement. Seek feedback, embrace challenges, and evolve with the changing landscape. A leader who is dedicated to personal growth inspires others to follow suit, creating a culture of continuous improvement. Conclusion. Leadership is a multifaceted art, and mastering it requires a combination of authenticity, vision, communication, leading by example, empowerment, emotional intelligence, adaptability, accountability, recognition, and a commitment to continuous improvement. As we embark on this leadership journey together, let's inspire and elevate each other toward success.